what we're doing here is we have one pit where the pipe goes in, one pit where the pipe comes out. And then the 400 feet in between that, we do not have to touch. So if we're doing open cut, we have to touch all of that space. And the way that we're doing this, it's cost effective because we're minimizing our restoration, which is a big deal. And it's time effective because we're limiting our construction footprint to 2 places in a 400-foot span instead of 400 feet over a 400-foot span.
As the city, what we do, we serve the resident, right? So my everyday job is to look at areas that we can have a lot of impact. So since I work in what we call like water utility coordination, so I coordinate with like different agencies all over the city. So I have a good look at what's going on all around the city. So we had like different areas, right? So then Columbia Drive took the priority because of its old ones and also like the business in the area, so we don't want to disrupt them.
We're getting in front of those breaks and we're replacing it in a timely fashion. Whenever there is a break, it's not just as simple as a water main breaks and then somebody goes in and fixes it in a day. What it automatically looks like is there's water coming up on both sides of the road, there's a big shutdown, it's unexpected, it takes longer. So everything that we're doing here is preventative, and that's really what's going on, is it's prevention as opposed to reaction.